Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the pound Swissy at the moment. Here's my take on this one. So we've got this range here that I've marked up, this rectangle, shaded rectangle. This is actually a daily candle high-low. I'm on the 4-hour chart, but if we go back to the daily time frame, you'll see that. So I've marked that up as a point of interest. Now, what we have here on the 4-hour is this candle in here. Have a look left, candle low, have a look right, candle high. I've just pulled that shaded zone through. Price gap. This area here is definitely a point of interest for me insofar as we've got buy-side liquidity currently resting above this range. And it wouldn't surprise me we see this pull back up reach into these levels here. Now, the stock markets are currently, as far as I'm concerned, oversold. There's room for a decent retrace. If that was to happen, I wouldn't be surprised we see the pound Swissy follow suit. So I'm setting up this range as my sell zone. I've entered a market sell here already just to get my feet wet, and I'll be setting up pending sell orders up through in here to see if we get a pullback and we get a fill for a short ultimately. So that's kind of my play here. What else can I tell you? We've got this candle up here, this 4-hour distribution level, and the daily coincides this price gap. A push up into here wouldn't be out of the question. So with that in mind, we've got a short position tool here. I'll just average at that point. I think my stop loss is going to go above that high. Just give it a bit of room to breathe. You know, I mean, I'd like to go for a bit of an intraday, given that it's early in the week. What do we got here? That's sort of 5 to 1 ratio, risk reward. Something like that would be ideal. That's what I'd like to see happen. Is this rotates up around in here somehow, and we get a decent run out of it. What else can I say, guys? Hey, by the way, join my Discord group. The link is below in the description or the signature of the under the video. Love to see you in there. It's free to join, and there's a lot going on in there. Apart from that, I think that's pretty much it. That's my take on the pound Swissy. And yeah, I mean, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.